Hey guys, it's me again, back with another unboxing video. I know it's been a while, but I keep forgetting to make videos every time I buy something online, so sorry about that. So I have here today an 8-ounce can of Xikar butane for my fancy butane lighter. It scares me every time I use it, but it works. The butane costs $11.38 on Amazon, including shipping. So I use like two $5 Amazon gift cards plus a little that was left over from my last purchase. So at 450 Swagbucks per gift card, I used 900 Swagbucks-ish. So yeah, let's open this. Dump the styrofoam into my trash can. That's sustainable. There's so much styrofoam. Okay. Cold. So yeah, it's a lot of butane. So it'll last me a while. So yeah, sign up for Swagbucks using my referral link in the description below, and get some free stuff. Happy swagging.